Hi, welcome to the demo of Smart DDA Converter. First, we will see how does a simple DDA work using Fat Client. Let's open a DDA. Find some data to manipulate. For modification, select a row from the grid. Hit the Modify button and let's make some changes. There we go, success, and data is updated. Now let's see how will this DDA work on REF's portal. But first, we need to convert this into a web screen using the Smart DDA Converter. Open REF's portal, search, and open the converted DDA. We're going to find some data. In the second row here, you can see the data we just modified. Now select some data to convert. Exactly the way we did. Select a row from the grid. Hit the Modify button to make some changes. Change the status of inventory and hit Save. Success. We can see the modified row in the grid. Let's check another example. OSSI issue assignment with look and feel using Fat Client. And after conversion into a web screen. And last one. OSSI auto staging lane before conversion.